Hey everybody, finally got this door, got it put on. Been fighting with it. We got it the best we can. The problem, it's real close right there. Then it opens up. I don't really like it. Up top, it looks a lot worse now than when it did. It's, kind of sunk in below the roof. And then, it looks like a decent gap, but it's not really too bad. Along the back, it could be closed up more all the way down through there, but the problem I keep running into, you see the body lines are real close. Needs to come down just a little bit, but when you come down with your body line in the back, then you get a bigger gap up top, and anytime you come down back there, this gap opens up really big. It's not terrible or anything. It's not like a half inch or something stupid, but it's still bigger than what I'd like. And I've been fighting with it for 2 days. I pretty much just come to the conclusion this is as good as it's going to get, because anything else, you're going to have to be able to come in here and weld up your joint, grind it, body work it. Now, I'm not looking at doing that. I'm not the best welder, like I said. I'm just going to have to live with it, I guess. But she fits nice. She fit pretty good along the rocker panel. I think the front here I need to bring out a little. In the back it fit pretty good. I was fooling with it and had it in place, and then everything just kind of fell out. So we got to reset all that and get it done. But that's what we've been working on. Today's Sunday. Worked on a little bit today. Worked on it yesterday, which was Saturday, of course. We didn't get the door until Friday. I actually went down Tuesday and ordered it. They told me it'd be in Wednesday. It didn't make it, and I waited, and it finally came in on Friday. So now I need to have them order us a door for the other side and work with that. But for right now, we're going to concentrate on getting all this rocker panel and stuff set where it needs to be. I'm really thinking that I'm going to take the old fender and put it on here and get it bolted up, just so that I can make sure this door is not like too far out or in. Make sure the gap's pretty good with that. It's something that I could work with, because I'd hate to get this door put in place, weld up the rocker panel, and then realize I've got to move the door in and out or something like that. And the sad part is, the fender that I've got to run on here, it's not the one I'm going to keep. I'd really like to do the 73 to 80 style front end on this, and I'm still working on convincing Dad about that one. He kind of wants just keep it 81, 87 style, but I prefer round headlights. That's what we're trying to get done. But just want to give you guys a short update, and maybe we get some more done here in the next couple of days and get another video up. Like always, thanks for watching.